myself Ranjit. I'll be giving basic introduction about robotics, and I thought I'll be of some help to you because I mainly work on core electronics design circuits. Okay, let me start off. First, when you think of a robot word, what comes to your mind? Because there are many different electronic gadgets that are in the market, and how could you classify them as a robot and other electronic gadgets? So in a layman's term, a robot could be an electromechanical machine guided by a computer program or electronic circuit. Okay, let me classify it. First thing when it comes to your mind when you hear of a robotic word is an autonomous robot, because an autonomous robot completely works, takes its decision completely in its programming environment. Second type of robot that you could think of is semi-autonomous. Semi-autonomous means it needs some human guidance. It completely can't operate on its own. Third one is remotely controlled. It is completely controlled by the operator. You could have seen RoboWars. They are completely controlled by remotes, so that they attack the other robots, stuffs like that. Okay, how could I give examples to this autonomous robot? Well, you should be happy about this because we are mainly dealing with autonomous robot. The robot that we are going to build is completely autonomous because it will be taking its own decision in its programming environment that we give it, like line follower robot, and obstacle detection robot. Okay, you could have you could name a few. Line follower robot is the robot, and obstacle detection robot is the robot that we are mainly going to discuss in this series of videos. And example for semi-autonomous is UAVs, because they will be triggered and targeted towards the destination from the control station. And for remotely controlled robots, you could give an example like MAVs. MAVs are UAVs are unmanned aerial vehicles, and MAVs are micro aerial vehicles. MAVs are very minute, insect kind of size. That could be a great example for remotely controlled, because they are very helpful in monitoring secret areas where people can't go and catch their hold their camera and record the incidents that are going around. Well, to move ahead, a robot is an intelligent agent. Something like it has thought of its own, because it thinks what it should do in a dynamic environment where it could respond to its situations. It faces different kind of situations, and it takes the decision what it should do. We are not going to tell, okay, go that way. We are not going to push it to go that way or take that decision. It's completely autonomous. That's what we are doing, line follower robot. Well, robots robots are the future. In future, every house will have a robot. That could be a situation. Humans are completely bored of doing same thing, or risky. Humans fear to do something which is risky, whereas robots are not. They assist in performing repetitive tasks and dangerous tasks repeatedly. Well, to know more about general topics, history, functionality, do check out the link that is given below. Thank you very much.